Hello everyone! Welcome to our tutorial on managing tasks in the timeline board with TeamBoard ProScheduler. First, let's start by understanding the difference between the timeline board and the Gantt chart board in ProScheduler. In the timeline, tasks follow the hierarchy of your Jira project, like initiatives, epic, issue, subtask. On the other hand, the Gantt chart uses custom hierarchy based on work breakdown structure, WBS. You have the freedom to use either the timeline or the Gantt chart, or even both. You can enable these in the feature settings to perfectly fit your needs. Let's take a closer look at the timeline board and its features. In both the Gantt chart and the timeline page, the issues list appears on the left side. You can expand this list into a complete table view, allowing you to interact with it as if it were a spreadsheet. You can edit fields inline, add or remove fields by column, and pin or unpin columns. On the right, you'll see task planning with dependencies, which includes time frame, set the time frame for tasks. Holiday marker, mark holidays to account for non-working days. Tasks, plan and organize tasks. Dependencies, establish relationships between tasks. Milestones, mark significant project milestones. Progress, track the progress of tasks. Duration, set the duration of tasks. Issue overdue, identify overdue issues to stay on top of deadlines. Timeline menu, full screen mode, maximize the timeline view to fill your screen. Today button, quickly shift the timeline focus to the current day. View mode, choose between weeks, months, or quarters for your timeline view. Refresh, update the timeline with the latest data without refreshing the whole page. View settings, customize how the timeline is displayed to suit your preferences. Board settings, access settings to tailor the timeline board to your needs. Timeline toolbar, search, easily find issues using keywords from their summary or issue key. Hierarchy, toggle to enable or disable the issue hierarchy. When disabled, all issues in the table are displayed flatly. Expand all dependencies when the hierarchy is enabled. Collapse all dependencies when the hierarchy is enabled. Show all plans, display all plans on the timeline. Sorting, arrange issues by issue key. Summary, start date, end date, or fix versions. Filter, enable or disable quick filters for efficient issue management. Import Microsoft project files, .mpp, .mpt to integrate with your timeline. Export issues to an Excel file for further analysis. Now let's see how to plan tasks and manage dependencies. Planning tasks. Click on the empty space within the task area to begin planning. Choose an assignee, specify the hours required, and set the start and end dates for the task. Use the plus button to assign the task to additional team members if needed. Managing dependencies. Connect the dots on the taskbars to establish proper dependencies. You can map Gantt timeline dependencies with issue links. Go to App Settings, choose Gantt, and map issue link dependencies in Gantt and Timeline. When you create a dependency between tasks, it will automatically create a linked issue in Jira. You can also enable auto-scheduling, which helps to automatically adjust the start and end dates of dependent tasks. Milestone management. Creating a milestone is similar to planning a task, but you mark it as a milestone instead. Its start date is always equal to its end date. Alternatively, you can convert a task into a milestone. Managing task progress. Slide on the taskbar to adjust the progress visually, or edit it directly in the Issues table. The board admin can configure the progress field in board settings. The progress field can have various data sources, default, value stored in the app. Jira field, mapped with a Jira field. Auto, calculated from logged time and scheduled time. These steps will help you effectively plan tasks, manage dependencies, milestones, and track progress within your project using TeamBoard ProScheduler. And that's it for now. Please let us know if you have any questions at hello@teamboard.cloud. See you in the next video.